What's going on, YouTube? Got an unboxing video for you guys today. We got the Losi Promoto MX, the 1/4 scale dirt bike. Let's get straight into it. Huge box. Race inspired. We got the red one. We got a quick start guide. Looks like a few stickers. Sticker kit in the bag. Bunch of Losi stickers. We'll get into that later. See what we got. There she is. There she is. Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Here is the Promoto MX out of the box. Looking good. Out of the box, she is clean. Look at him. Look, got some good materials on there. Got a whole shot stand, some spikes and tools. Gave us a good motorcycle stand. Do some work on. You don't want to hold it, I guess. We got a good controller right here too. Spectrum. What is this? I think this is the DX3. A few modes. Woolly mode. Flywheel on. 50, 75, and 100%. Oh yeah. Looking pretty good. Got some extra parts. Don't yet know what those are for. Some chain lube, as you can see. Real chain on the bike. I can see those tools. Yep. And all you need to get ready is a 2S battery. I didn't get one from Spectrum. I wound up getting one from Jen's Ace, a 5300, a 2S. I would have showed you guys that, but I already slapped it in. So I'm just gonna show you how we do that. Also, I had a lot of reviews about how this piece gets lost. So I went ahead and took that off and put some shoe glue. So what you want to do is, you take off this clip. I don't know if you can see that. This whole thing folds down. You slide the battery in and close it back. It's simple. One clip, so I'm not going to do that. But what I will do is fire it up. Just the first startup for you guys. I'm going to plug the battery in. Turn on this controller. Just blinking, running to bond. Turn this bad boy over. This way. Yep, right up in here. First power. First time powering on. So we're gonna give it a minute. Oh yeah. Servo's working. We have steering. Flywheel on. Let's see what that does. Sounds like a jet. You gonna take off or what? So now she's ready to go.